How can I tell if roof damage is covered by insurance? Usually, insurance covers sudden damage from events such as wind, hail, fire, or falling objects, but it often excludes normal aging, poor maintenance, and certain types of storms. Start by checking your insurance policy for the sections about dwelling coverage, wind, hail, exclusions, deductibles, and roof payment rules. Take clear photos and videos of the roof, ceilings, walls, gutters, and any fallen branches, but avoid climbing onto a damaged roof. Write down when you notice the problem and what weather happened before it appeared. Contact your insurance company promptly and ask whether an adjuster needs to inspect the damage before repairs begin. Keep damaged materials, receipts, inspection reports, and temporary repair records because they can help prove what happened. A useful detail many homeowners miss is that some policies pay the full replacement cost, while others pay only the roof's current value after subtracting depreciation. Also, insurance may cover the hole caused by a storm, but not the old shingles that were already worn out. So the cause and the roof's condition are both important. If water is entering, place containers underneath, move belongings away, and arrange reasonable temporary protection to prevent further damage. One common mistake is starting permanent repairs before the insurer documents the damage, so take photos and ask for approval first, unless emergency work is needed to prevent greater harm. Another mistake is assuming every leak is storm damage, when poor installation, rot, insects, and long-term wear may be excluded. Have a qualified roofer describe the likely cause in writing. Some people also forget that filing a claim can involve a deductible and deadlines, so compare the estimated repair cost with your deductible and report qualifying damage quickly. Be cautious of contractors who promise guaranteed coverage or ask you to exaggerate damage because false information can cause a claim to be denied. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.